Alright, so I believe this is where I left you guys last time, just sanding the rest of my life away. Still got a lot more work to do, but let's go ahead and finish cleaning up some of these little areas, and then let's see if we can't get a coat of stain on it today. I drilled 4 holes, the spacing that I need for my base, and I'm basically making a ferrule block because I need a way that I can ground my strings as they string through the body. So this is just aluminum bar stock, and I bought it for another project actually. I wanted to make some control arms for my RC rock crawler, but it's been about 7 months now and that project has never gotten done, so this might be a better use for it. Well guys, I really wanted to get this base done for you this week, but had some weather delays, unfortunately. That's what happens when my workshop is outside. So due to lots of rainy days, I didn't quite get it done. I could have rushed through it and gotten it completely done, and it would have, been okay. But I really want to take some time and make sure that it plays absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna work a little bit more on some setup stuff. It's good and playable as is, but I want it to be perfect. So I'm gonna have to finish this next week, and I think next week I will do a full, complete, start to finish overview build with a good quality sound demo of this thing. And we will find out if I can build a complete instrument from scratch using only scrap wood and basic DIY tools. So far it's looking pretty promising, so we'll find out next week. I'm Dan, this is Guns and Guitars, and I will see you next week.